September 20th, Wednesday. Saints Andrew Kim take on. Building communities. Wisdom is vindicated by all her children. In the first reading, Saint Paul instructs Timothy on how a Christian community should behave in the household of God, which is the Church of the Living God. Instructions and guidelines given by the apostles and early church fathers helped in the spread of the church throughout the world. Today's saints also tried their best to build the church in Korea, which was entirely managed by the laity until 1836, when a Frenchman entered and was beheaded. Saint Andrew Kim Taegon, the first Korean priest, secretly trained in Macau, entered Korea in 1845 and was martyred in 1846. Saint Paul Chong Hasang, a lay apostle, and many others perished in 1866. The sacred memory of 103 of those Korean martyrs is celebrated today, mostly laymen and women, some married, some not, some old, some young, some even children. The Korean church is unique because it was founded entirely by lay people. As religious, we are also called to build up churches, not by spending extravagant money, but based on the values of Christ. Today, we live in a society where we spend a lot of money to build and beautify our churches. In some states of our country, there is also a competition based on whose church is big and majestic, which is very sad to see. How are we building the church in our surroundings? With bricks and cement, or with the values of Christ? Pray and practice. Let us ask and earnestly pray for the assistance and guidance of our Lord in order to build exemplary Christian communities.